Apparently this sickness thing going around, because now Fontana's all have it, and it's just bad. It's just, pretty sure you don't need it.
Okay, cool.
Pretty sure you won't need it. We've actually done stuff like this before. We did this at the very beginning of last chapter, the polynomial stuff. We did some work with, good? Yeah, I had an itch. But we can't just try to crack it. That's why I was using the wall, because I can't reach it. Anyway, when you're dealing with stuff like this, remember my suggestion, because my suggestions never mean anything, because why would I suggest things that would probably make lives easier, is I would always write out in terms of numbers first. I put my numbers together, combine my terms in each piece. Yeah, and then you start doing all this stuff. Okay. 5 goes into 10 twice. 2 goes into 6 3 times. So you get 3 over 2. And then you start playing war. And you're done.
Okay.
Simplifying fractions, you gotta remember, it's easy, easy, easy. Okay. When you're dealing with exponents, remember your exponent rules. When you are multiplying, you're just adding straight across. With your exponents, when you're having to divide, that's when you play war. Again, this isn't anything we haven't seen, so this should be pretty simple. They throw a couple monomials at you, so you don't have to worry about it. This is the time that works. You can simplify straight across because it is a monomial. Remember, a monomial is going to be anything put together with just straight multiplication. There is no addition or subtraction. Whew, that was tough. All right. Shall we try a more difficult topic?
No, I'm good.
All right, let's do it anyway.
I appreciate you asking us.
Divide. Now, when you're dividing these things, what do you actually have to do? Multiply the reciprocal. So as you're writing this down, as you write this problem down, write it down in terms of factoring, and remember to flip the fraction on the second one right away. It just, by doing that ahead of time, it just saves you a minute or so, and it's pretty quick. So you'll have 5x over 3 times the quantity, x minus 4, times, well, let's see, x minus 4, x minus 2, x, and then x minus 2. And all I'm doing there, guys, is just as I write the problem down itself, I'm factoring it right away, just because I know I'm going to have to do it anyway, so might as well just do it as I'm writing it. Just makes it a little bit quicker. And then simplify. And you get 5/3. Once again, this is horribly difficult. I'm sorry I'm boring you guys. Just forgive me. Just remember, only 9 Mondays until spring break. 9 Mondays till spring break.
Right. And then
oh, real quick. Remember I told you guys that there are possibilities of finals being before break next year? Well, there are 2 schedules that they're presenting at the school board tomorrow. One if they get air conditioning at Lincoln, and one if they don't. So
they probably won't still.
Air conditioning. I guess Lincoln's the only school that doesn't have air conditioning
Never
yet.
had air conditioning. It was always really hot. We still had to go to school anyways.
So I can't hear you. What?
Yeah, so
Air conditioning.
Because they still have air
You
conditioning.
want Lincoln to get air conditioning badly.
Yeah.
You really want air conditioning at Lincoln. You want everybody to go to the school board and say, "We want air conditioning. We want air conditioning," because it's just saying. The only And honestly, the only difference between the two schedules, to get finals before break, guess how many days you have to start earlier? A week. 1 week.
Yeah.
It starts 1 week earlier, and we're able to get finals in, and that's the other thing. And then here's the if we get that calendar, it's awesome. We get finals before break, and then we also are done the week before Memorial Day.
That's awesome.
I know.
Wow, that'd be
Otherwise, what is it? Otherwise, if they don't get the air conditioning, finals will be after break again, and you're done after Memorial Day. I mean, what's that?
If we get up before Memorial Day, we don't get Memorial Day off.
You know, you can still have Memorial Day off, okay? You can have that off.
You get it off.
And it's one of those things, if there happens to be so many snow days, you could, that could work too. So, if you want to see the two options, I'll just leave them up here. Alright, so, what times what is -18 yet? What times what's -18 yet the other get +7? 9 and -2?
Where is the meeting?
I think it's at the Ed Center. Yeah. All right. GCFs. Oh, sorry, I'm supposed to be at X. Take out the 2x, I have a 3x plus 2. Take out a 3, and I have a 3. Oh. Wait, what did I screw up here? 18.
6x squared.
Oh, thank you. -18, 2 and 9. Yeah, 2x. I have 3x minus 1. I wrote 2x, didn't I? Oh no, I wrote 3x minus 2. Take out the 3. So we have 2x plus 3. It's that 6x squared. The reason why they put this same value here because they're trying to bait you. They're trying to get you to do this. They're trying to do that, but you can't do that. No.
No.
Because of this.
You cannot.
You can't simplify over addition. So they were baiting you to do that. So that's why it's there. So when you get done with this one, you only have one to take care of. It is. So you get 3x minus 1 over 6x. These are really quick. These aren't difficult at all to go through. I don't think you guys will have too much of a hassle, aside from knowing what 6 divided by 2 is. 7? Apparently. I know. Apparently I can't math very well sometimes, but it happens. It happens. I am very SMRT.
Oh my god.
All right, do that one.
All right.
And I think we only have like one more example, so we're almost done.
I don't really want to know different types of rocks. And the hard rocks.
With don't If only I had
What was you?
Like,
Alright, let's see.
wait, no, I didn't.
Alright, so we go.
Oh my
Yours is much
god.
more like a
Why are you guys so loud to each other? Sorry.
yeah,
I'm so hey, have you guys ever? Well, never mind. I'll show you in a second. Was it not in this section? I thought it was. I thought it was in this section. Well, kind of. Oh, it's not even in the section. Man, you guys are so lucky. Yeah. Let's do this.
Is that our entire lesson?
There's nothing to this stuff. This is the perfect time for something like this to show up right before break. Nobody wants to do anything anyway, so why fight it? Yes. No. Yes. I'll collect yesterday's and today's tomorrow. Alright? I'm thinking